Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Simple Language channel. I hope you are doing well today. In this channel, we learn English in a simple and easy way. We speak slowly and use easy words. Let's begin. Hello, friends. Welcome to the Simple Language. My name is Mark.
And I'm Brian. Hello, everyone.
Brian, how are you feeling today?
I feel wonderful, Mark. The weather is nice today.
Yes, it is a beautiful day. I am happy because we have a great lesson today.
Oh? What is our lesson about?
Today, we will talk about simple ways to learn English every day.
That sounds interesting. I want to know more.
Me too. But first, dear listeners, we have something to say.
Yes, if you enjoy our podcast, please give us a like.
Click the like button. It is very helpful.
And please subscribe to our channel. We make new lessons every week.
Subscribing helps us very much. Thank you.
Okay, Mark, I am ready. Let's begin.
Brian, when you learn a new English word, what happens?
Let me think. I see the word, I read it,
Yes. And
then I forget it. Maybe 1 hour later, maybe 1 day later.
Exactly. This is a very common problem.
It is frustrating. I study hard, but I forget.
Don't worry. Today, I will share 3 easy tips.
3 tips. I'm excited.
These tips are very simple. Anyone can do them.
Even me?
Yes, even you, Brian, especially you.
Okay, tell me the first tip.
Tip number 1 is use new words the same day.
Use new words today, not tomorrow.
Not tomorrow, today, the same day you learn them.
But how do I use new words?
Good question. Let me give you an example. You learn the word excited.
Okay. Excited means very happy about something.
Perfect. Now, you must use it today. How? You can write a sentence. I am excited about my weekend.
Oh, or I am excited to eat dinner.
Yes. Excellent, Brian. You can also speak the sentence.
Speak to who? I live alone.
Speak to yourself. Say it 5 times.
I am excited, I am excited, I am excited.
Perfect. Your brain remembers better when you use the word.
This makes sense. Learn it, use it, remember it.
Exactly right. Tip number 2 is label your world. Label my world? What does that mean? It means put English words on things in your home.
Oh, like stickers with words?
Yes, small papers with words. Put them on objects.
Can you give me an example?
Of course. Take a small paper, write the word door.
Okay, D-O-O-R. Door.
Good. Now stick it on your door.
On my door at home?
Yes, every time you see the door, you see the word.
That is clever. What else can I label?
Everything. Your table, your chair, your window.
My refrigerator, my cup, my bed?
Yes, yes, yes. Label 20 things in your home.
20 things. That is a lot of labels.
Start with 10 things today. Add more tomorrow.
I love this idea. My home becomes my classroom.
Exactly. You learn while you live. Now, tip number 3, the 5-minute rule.
5-minute rule? Tell me more.
Every day, speak English for 5 minutes.
Just 5 minutes. That is very short.
Yes, it is short, but you must do it every single day.
Every day, no breaks.
No breaks. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, every day.
But, Mark, I have a question. Who do I speak with?
You have 3 choices. First, speak with yourself.
Speak with myself again?
Yes, talk about your day. Today, I went to the store. I bought apples and bread.
Okay, that makes sense. What is the second choice?
Second choice, speak with your pet.
My pet. I have a cat named Lucky.
Perfect. Tell Lucky about your day in English.
Lucky doesn't understand English.
That is okay. Lucky is a good listener. Lucky will not judge your mistakes.
That is true. Lucky is very patient. And the third choice,
Third choice, use your phone. Record yourself speaking.
record myself.
Yes, then listen to it. You can hear your progress.
5 minutes every day. I can do this.
I know you can, Brian. Brian, I have a question.
Yes, what is your question?
Sometimes learning English is boring. How can I make it fun?
Great question. Learning must be fun. If it is boring, you will stop.
Exactly. So what should I do?
Learn about your interests. What do you like?
I like cooking. I like animals. I like sports.
Perfect. Watch cooking videos in English.
Cooking videos. I can learn new recipes and new words.
Yes, you learn chop, mix, bake, useful words.
What about animals?
Read simple articles about animals or watch nature documentaries.
And sports?
Watch sports highlights. Listen to simple commentary.
This is wonderful. I learn English and enjoy my hobbies.
That is the secret, Brian. Make English part of your fun time.
Not just study time.
Not just study time, all the time.
Brian, there is one more important thing.
What is it?
Be kind to yourself.
Be kind to myself?
Yes, learning takes time. You will make mistakes.
I make many mistakes. Sometimes I feel bad.
Mistakes are normal. Mistakes are good.
Mistakes are good?
Yes, every mistake teaches you something new.
I never thought about it that way.
When a baby learns to walk, does the baby fall down?
Yes, many times.
Does the baby stop trying?
No, the baby keeps trying until they can walk.
You are the same. Keep trying. Don't give up.
That makes me feel better, Mark.
Good. Be patient. Celebrate small victories.
Small victories?
Yes, today you learned 5 new words. Celebrate.
I spoke English for 5 minutes? Celebrate.
Exactly. Be proud of every small step. Okay, everyone, let's review our 3 tips.
Tip number 1. Use new words the same day you learn them.
Tip number 2. Label things in your home with English words.
Tip number 3. Speak English for 5 minutes every day.
And remember, make it fun. Learn about things you love.
And be kind to yourself. Mistakes are okay.
Now we have a question for you, dear listeners.
Yes, what is your favorite way to learn English?
Do you label things? Do you talk to your pet? Tell us in the comments.
We love reading your comments. They help us make better lessons.
Thank you so much for listening today.
We hope you enjoyed this lesson.
Practice every day, even just a little bit.
Small steps lead to big success.
See you in the next lesson, everyone.
Goodbye and happy learning.
Bye-bye.